Conrad Sangma Myntri Rangbah ka jylla loong ba Lada ki Nong Sohra kim Kwah ne kidang tieng ba ki tourist ne ki nong wan jong kai pyrthei kin wan che ki jaka jong ki kamha ba kin nang Khang Shuwa ban ailad ye kiwei ki jaka ba kin plie habayakran bat ki lat pathai khubor hakalai terek unai lur 8000 arpwe u Conrad Sangma loong ba ka sarkar kala IT hakinong penya jong ki jaka ne ki local authority kumbalale ya ki school ba ki bakwa ban plie kin plie bat ki bampat kwa annai plie kan long kum juru ya ki Nong Sohra laban kedo hangni ba ka hima Sohra kalapan na ka DC East Khasi Hills district ban bu khrdop ha mau kedok khnang ban yada ya ka jingpang COVID-19 na ki nong wan jong kai pyrthei ki bawan cha Sohra.
We've been very clear with everybody, whether it's tourism or with schools, that the local authority will have a lot of power to decide what they want to do. So if a particular village in Sohra area or in Jylla Hills or Riboy do not desire that tourists should come in, then they can close their tourism sector. There's no problem in that. Similarly, schools also, if they feel that they don't want to open up, nobody's going to force them. What we are trying to do right now is we're trying to open up in a phase-wise manner and give the flexibility to people who would like to, open up, and at the same time allow people who are not very comfortable with things opening up. We're allowing the flexibility for them not to. So if people from Sohra or whichever area, I won't take names, since you mentioned it, I'm just mentioning it, but whichever area it may be, it will entirely depend on them. And if the local area people are not comfortable, then they may close the sector for the time being and see and wait when situation improves or when they feel comfortable.